Did a Cleveland police sergeant fail to control herself and other officers in the deadly 137-shot case? A jury deliberating that right now in East Cleveland. And 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knowles spent the day in court and joins us with the latest live. Scott.
After 4 days of testimony, the jury got this case around 3:30 this afternoon. 6 women and 2 men now deciding the fate of this Cleveland police sergeant. Jurors already asked to take another look at this surveillance video from the night of November 29, 2012. On it, waves of police cars streamed through the streets in the 22-mile pursuit that ended with 137 shots and the deaths of Timothy Russell and Melissa Williams. Investigators say they were unarmed. Prosecutors maintain Cleveland Police Sergeant Patricia Coleman failed to control her officers that night, that she could have ended the chase before a single bullet was fired.
All these cars are all on top of one another because there were so many people involved in it. And nobody, including Patricia Coleman, thought to say, this is too much, it needs to stop, the speeds are getting too much, these cars are driving too recklessly, it's getting out of hand, and it needs to end.
But the defense says Coleman was just doing her job, pointing out while she was a passenger in one of the 62 cars involved in the pursuit, which started in Cleveland and crossed into East Cleveland, she wasn't driving. Instead, painting this trial as an effort to hold someone accountable for the controversial killings that night.
You can have a bad feeling and you can think somebody did something bad, but you have to prove it in the courtroom. The government put on 16 witnesses. Not one witness said she broke a law.
Coleman is charged with misdemeanor dereliction of duty. If she is found guilty, she faces a maximum 3 months in jail and a $750 fine. Reporting live in East Cleveland, I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Scott Knowles.